Hi guys, and welcome back to Callie J's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll take you guys back in the kitchen with me and we are going to prepare some amazing stewed shrimp and lobster together. So go ahead and subscribe, turn on your post notification bell so you can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Tell your friends, tell your family members about Callie J's Kitchen and have them subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, it's CallieKitchen_1, and also on Facebook, it's Callie J's Kitchen. So here I have my shrimp and my lobster. It is nicely cleaned and washed, and yes, I did chop up my lobster in some small pieces. If you want to remove the shell from your lobster, you can always go ahead and do so. However, I decided to cook it in the shell because I love the color and it worked perfectly fine for me and my family. But you can always go ahead and just work with what you think would suit you. All right, I add some powdered seasoning, I add some seasoned salt, some fish seasoning, I also add some paprika and some black pepper. Combine that well, then I'm going to cover it and put it aside for roughly about 15 minutes. This was really quick and easy, 20 minutes and you're out of the kitchen, prepare dinner for the family, including cooking some rice. All right, so I add some vegetable oil to my pot, add some of my chopped onions, scallion and bell pepper. I also added some garlic, and just to note, I'm using 3 different colors of bell pepper. I'm using the red, the green and the orange. If you have the green at home or the red, you can always go ahead and work with whatever suits you and your family. Remember to always be creative. Remember to always be you in the kitchen and just utilize whatever you have at home. Turn my stove on low to medium heat. Allow this to cook for roughly about a minute. We don't want our vegetables to be too soft. I will then go in and add some more of the fish seasoning just to enhance that flavor and the taste of the vegetables as well. And then I'm gonna add some more of the paprika. If you want to add a little bit more black pepper, you can always go ahead and do so. Combine that well. Just a reminder guys, you will know what your family love. You can always go ahead and choose for your family. This worked perfectly fine for my family, and yes, they did enjoy. All right, so I add the seasoned shrimp and the lobster, combine all of that goodness well, and we're not going to add any water to this because yes, it's gonna spring its own water, so you don't want to add no water. You don't want to add any water at all. All right, so once we combine everything well, it's time to go ahead and cover it. Turn your stove on low heat because of course you want it to slowly cook, and shrimp and lobster doesn't take long to cook. If you overcook, then you know it's gonna be tough, and we don't want that rubbery, and we want to get rid of that. All right, so once it is nice, it's cooked for about 5 minutes or so, we're gonna go ahead and spin it up nicely. Combine that well, and then we're going to cover it and leave it there for roughly another 3 minutes or so, and then I'll come back and show you guys the final product. Remember, you can serve this up with some white rice and even some potato. And this is the final product of my amazing stewed shrimp and lobster. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. I hope you guys go ahead and give it a try and let me know what you think. Remember to subscribe to my channel and remember to turn on your post notification bell. I can't wait to see you guys on Wednesday.